Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. All you have to do is press it, it turns gray, and you're in. It's that simple. There's also a notification bell that's beside that button. I recommend that you press it because what ends up happening through that notification bell is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture from the video with the title, and if you want to go to it, all you do is press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut and takes you directly to the video. So I like it, I enjoy it, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So now that we've done all that, today is special for me because I started the Sephora play again. I never thought this would happen. Before I had the channel, one of the first boxes beside the Ipsy $10 bag, I did the Sephora Play. That was also $10. And what I liked about the Sephora Play then, it introduced me to some of the luxury brands that I got a chance to try before I purchased. And I thought that was a great feature on the Sephora. I stopped getting it because I felt the samples were getting so small that the point of even trying to use it to even see if I liked it, the samples were just too small. So I stopped it. And then as I've had the channel, I've had the opportunity to watch others, I found I was always going into the videos of everyone opening up their Sephora Play. I know a lot of people like me, I think, stopped it because there aren't that many people that are showing this box that I'm finding. And so I decided that I wanted to give it another try because the last couple of unboxings that I watched on other channels, I was intrigued by the products. I also liked that they stopped doing certain things. So they used to give a card that was with points and things like that. I found I was not going to Sephora as much as when I was buying online. So when they gave these cards and things that enabled you to get makeovers and things like that, it was stuff I couldn't take advantage of. And now that I'm living here in the States, I find I'm shopping far more online. Plus ULTA, I found I was, the rewards were better and things like that. But with all that said, now that I have literally been getting the boxes, and because of the channel and it only being, I'm going into I've only been doing the channel a few months, so with that, just based on the money that I was normally spending in the stores and things like that, I seem to be putting more towards the boxes, and the value that I'm getting, I found, is far larger. I used to buy a lot off the shopping channels and things like that because they would bundle, but with those you were always just getting one line of products. So I was getting introduced to a lot of products from the one line. So if it was an IT Cosmetics special or it was a Tarte special, I was starting to get too much into just one brand and so on and so forth. So the boxes opened me up to trying a lot more with a lot more diversity. So everyone spends their dollars however they're comfortable. So for me, I decided, and that's how the channel also started to get formed, was I started getting boxes and I wanted to share that way as well. And that's why I decided to also try the $10 box, because I wanted to see what's changed. And the little bit that I saw on other channels, I'm seeing that they're going in a bit of a different direction, and I wanted to get back on board. So like I said, it is called the Sephora Play. Another thing is, this is a subscription box, so they charge $10, and then every state has different taxes. So I think my box is like $10.70, but there is no freight on this at all. With that said, if you don't want to get a subscription box and you just want to see what the products are and so on and so forth so that you can go into other stores or search for it elsewhere, that's what good unboxings are good for also. But in reference to the Sephora Play, they always run at least a few times a year that I found since I stopped doing the play all last year. Anytime, it happened twice that I ended up going on their website and they had previous past boxes that you were able to actually see the items, and purchase it that way for the same $10. So there's two ways that you could enjoy the play. One is through the subscription, and the other is also check online and see previous boxes, because with their subscriptions, you don't know what they're going to put in your box. It's a complete surprise, but on the website you can see it. All right, here we go. First, January 2020, I decided I'm gonna give this box a try and see what's different in here. So they have it in a plastic bag like this that is, I guess, reusable. So let's open her up. That's all that's in here, and there is a little brochure here, which I'm going to look at too, but that's what the inside of the box looks like, and it says show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. That's it. So that's what this looks like, and then, like I said, it has a zipper closure, like a Ziploc bag. Let's open this guy up, empty everything out, and see what we got. So it just has all these cute things on here that say Play by Sephora, and all these little graphics are like brushes and perfume bottles and avocados, just cute. All right, and then that's what the back looks like. There is a brochure in here, and on this side it says Stressed Busting Beauty Chart. Consult the stars for your go-to beauty ritual and relax and look your best. That's what that looks like here. So it's a horoscope, so I guess they're putting 3 horoscopes per thing. So I guess I'm under the fire sign, and it says Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. And the little script on the Aries says, your sign burns bright, but lighting up a room takes a lot of energy. So don't forget to refuel, put on that SPF, and head out to your adventure and reveal in all the likes rolling into your latest selfie to keep your feel good tank full. And that's what it is here. So they have some little snapshot of all 4. And then, on the outside here, the other side, it has, I guess, what's going to be in the bag. Okay, cool. All right, so here it says, you can expect these makeup, skincare, and hair care stars to ease your mind and beautify your daily routine. So it looks like we got something from Cover FX, which we'll go through. The next thing looks like it is from Kat Von D. The third thing looks like it is from Glam Glow. Then something from Dr. Andrew Wheel from Origins here. And then something from Smashbox. And then a perfume sample, which they're saying is a bonus. Okay, the brands, like I said, I think Sephora always knocks it out of the park. They're all ones that are strong, prestigious brands, and it gives you an opportunity to play and to try. So the first item here is from Cover FX, and it is, just looking for my tweezers, sorry guys. It says that it is a high performance setting spray. That's what it says on the card. And then I always use a tweezer to open up the lid. It just makes it a lot easier, and I find I don't rip boxes anymore. Okay, and this one says it's a high-performing setting spray. It says it has 24-hour wear, and this is 10 ml, 0.33 fluid ounces. And what's written on the card here, it says keep your makeup in place from sunrise to star rise with an alcohol-free setting spray. It'll help protect against pollution. How to use this: hold the bottle about 8 inches from your face, close your eyes, and spray in an X shape as the final step in your makeup routine. And they're saying this is exclusive to Sephora. So that's what this looks like here. Let's just do a spritz and see. Very fine mist and no scent at all. And it dried like really quickly. It feels a little sticky. And we'll see if that continues, but right now it feels sticky. All right, so that's the first item. The second item is from Kat Von D. This is one of my favorite eyeliners. I absolutely love it. It is called the Tattoo Liner. It is a waterproof liquid liner. It is in Trooper Black. I love this. This is one of my favorite prestigious eyeliners. This is it's a soft, it's perfection. To me, it's absolutely beautiful. It does, it's not a hard tip. It goes on almost like a brush, but it keeps its point. It is really, really beautiful. Absolutely love that. So happy I have that. The next item is, let me just see what they wrote here for Kat Von D. It says it's a tattoo line in Trooper. It says the stars are aligned to create this jet black liner that allows for tattoo-like precision and easy peasy iconic cat eye application. They're saying if you start at the inner corner of the eyelid and slowly draw across, adding more pressure for a thicker line and less pressure for a thinner one. They're saying it is award-winning, and they're also saying it's an exclusive to Sephora. I didn't know that. Okay, the next item is from Glam Glow, and it says it's a super mud activating charcoal treatment mask. They're saying it allows this purifying charcoal infused mask to provide clarity to your skin and your psyche. And this is it here. And it says how to use, spread a thin layer over your clean, dry skin or spot treat blemishes with visible pores and leave on until it hardens. You'll feel it tingle. Rinse off with warm water. And they're saying it is also award winning. And this says on here, it is, I think, ½ an ounce. So this also has a safety seal. I'm just going to peel it back a little bit. And it's that dark charcoal type of mask. I'm going to just put a little bit here so we can see it. And that's what it looks like there. I love these type of masks, and Glam Glow, I think, really makes some really great ones. The next one is from Dr. Andrew Wheel from Origin. They're for Origins. That's what the bottle looks like here. It says it's a mega mushroom relief resilient soothing treatment lotion. It's saying it will comfort stressed out skin with relish, chaga, and corpinus mushrooms packed treatment that feels like water and soothes like a lotion. It says how to use. First, shake the bottle to activate the ingredients, then pour into a cotton pad or fingertips and gently tap onto clean, dry skin in the morning and at night. So to me, that sounds very much like a toner. So it says it's a soothing treatment lotion. Don't have any cotton pads here, so it's just a liquid, and there's no real scent to it. It has that spa type of scent. So, but I've used a couple of products from Origins that I've gotten in, how did I try it? I've tried them in, they have these kits where you get a bunch of pretty much this size, and they do last at least a week or two, and you're able to really test out the product line, and I was impressed. So the Origin brand is definitely one that if I wasn't getting different boxes every other day, it was one that I would definitely invest in and get the full size. So this brand, I'm happy, is in here because I will definitely use it right to the end. The next item in here is from Smashbox. It is their Photo Finish Foundation Primer. It says, take the stress out of foundation application with this soothing flaw disguising clear gel primer that makes your makeup last and last. Massage a dime-sized amount onto clean, dry skin to prep skin for flawless foundation application. And this is the size that I get here. I have a lot of these. I travel with these all the time. The Photo Finish was actually one of the first primers that I got introduced to. It was through the shopping channel in Canada when Smashbox was coming there, and I was totally impressed with it. It came in these square little bottles at that time, but these little plastic containers are fantastic to travel with. They feel more like a silicone, so if you like that, it's really good at creating that canvas that makes everything uniform in the sense where, you know, if you have a couple of wrinkles here or there, it kind of soothes everything out. So really happy to have gotten that as well. And the last item I'm going to be putting, that if I ever end up sending somebody a package, this is going to be in there because I do have the full size of this. And the bottle, excuse me, the bottle looks exactly like this. It is really pretty. And this is from Victor and Rolf. It says you don't need to be an earth sign to appreciate this warm and spicy floral scent featured in jasmine. And if it's a need to know brand, the fragrance family is warm and spicy. The top note is jasmine, the middle is orange blossom, and the base is patchouli. It is a really strong fragrance. And like I said, it is an expensive fragrance. So this is something I'm going to put over here. And if I ever do a package, this is something that I'm going to end up putting in there. So really, really happy that that was in there. And it looks like it is a spritzer bottle when they have those little containers. Some of them are, you know, where you dab it. I like when these little samples have the spritzer, and I think this one does. So really happy that we got that as well. So I think I did great for $10. I think this was a great investment. I think they're still doing, like I said, some brands that I can't get elsewhere. So I love that I'm going to be able to test and try any products. I am excited to try the, it's not as sticky now. Happy I waited. And it's dry. So this is the Cover FX finishing spray. We got the primer from Smashbox. I got a Kat Von D eyeliner, which I absolutely love. It's waterproof and it's called the Tattoo Liner. We got a mask from Glam Glow, as well as a soothing toner from Origins. I think I did great. So once again, I am happy that I resubscribed, but if you don't want to subscribe and have the fun of opening up a box where you don't know what you're going to be getting and based on what they chose or what's the hottest thing that they want to introduce, you know, month to month, just go on the Sephora website and type in play, and then you'll be able to see, like I have purchased last year, some of the boxes. You're able to see inside what's available to you, and they usually have a good assortment, and it says A, B, C, or D, and then you get to open up each one and see which one you want. And like I said, they end up being the same price. So if you don't like getting subscription boxes, or like me in the past, I traveled so much I was not able to enjoy it as much. So when the boxes came, they would pile up, and it just all became overwhelming. So this is a way that if you want to get boxes, it's a good way. And if you want to be surprised, it's a good way. But if you don't, but you like this type of sample sizes and you like these type of products, just go on the Sephora.com website and you can choose from past boxes. And like I said, you get to see exactly what they are. So once again, thank you guys for finding me. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also leave in the comments if you're getting the Sephora play, and or if you were like me and you stopped, and if you're thinking about restarting, or if you're happy not getting it anymore, or if you're past the sample sizes, because now we're so spoiled with full sizes that the sample sizes don't do it for you anymore. All those type of comments, I would love to hear your feedback down in the comments down below. So don't forget, like I said, to leave me a thumbs up. Supposedly that's very important on YouTube. And it also lets me know, if you don't want to leave a comment, that you were here and that you're enjoying my content. All right. Thank you for finding me. Thank you for spending time with me. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.